Good morning and welcome to my croissant masterclass. So we are on day 3 of our making of our lovely croissants. They're going to be amazing, I'm sure. So we've had an overnight resting of our lovely dough, which yesterday you saw me lovingly roll and fold on lots of times. 4 times I think I did it in the end. Within each time I did it 3 and then rested it 4 times. So there should be quite a lot of lamination going on there. Let's hope so. So I'm just going to flour my surface now. So this is the kind of the fun bit really. This is the actually making the croissant. So what we need to do, we need to roll out our dough. So what we want is basically a rectangle, about 4 millimeters thick. I think it said on Kevin said on the recipe. He wrote when we did the course for the Bread Ahead bakery session. So yeah, it's, I think in terms of the size, it's a rolling pin and a half. So quite a large sheet of dough basically is what you want to achieve. I'm keeping turning it because I want kind of as straight edges as possible really, if you can. You want nice even triangles. So what you do is I'll show you in a minute, because it's probably thinking, what's she talking about, triangles? I have no idea. But it's one of these ones you have to kind of show someone how to do it. You can read a recipe till, read endless recipes till you're blue in the face, but sometimes you just don't understand how things are supposed to be done, and only by seeing someone do it or being shown by someone how to do it is the only way you learn. And this is why I'm quite keen on doing these videos, because I think it helps people. If people see someone do something, it really hopefully inspires them. I'm obsessive about this kind of stuff, so hopefully my enthusiasm rubs off on someone. Who knows? It might not. Who cares? I'm having fun. It doesn't matter. Right. Okay, so we're almost there. Almost. So we're keeping it nice and even. We just want to be mindful to keep our nice floury surface, because we don't want to get to the point where the dough is going to stick in any way. So I think we're alright for the height. It's the width now, because we want to, it's a rectangle that we want, so we want a rolling pin and a quarter, a rolling pin and a half. So we want it wider width ways than it is long ways. That's a rolling pin. That's a rectangle. That is a rectangle. Everyone knows that. Right. We're almost there. Nice. Not them quite thin, because we don't want to roll them up. Then they'll be too thick, too fat. And don't forget, they're going to improve again. So once we've made them all, we're going to brush them with some beaten egg, and we're going to put them back in the oven. The oven's on actually, but it says on the recipe you need to put it in a warm space. Put them, once they're made, in a warm space, about 24 degrees C. So that's quite warm, isn't it? So hopefully, then they'll double in size apparently. So like 2 hours, 2 hours proving. Yeah, it's a long old process, but believe me, these are like so worth it. These are once you've tried them, any ones that you buy, just no comparison. And when they're warm out of the oven, oh my goodness me, they are. And with some lovely French conserve or preserve jam, whatever, any jam really, just on its own, or with add more butter, why not? Yeah, they are pretty damn special. So we're almost there. We've done a nice big rectangle, and it obviously it's as I'm rolling, it's getting a little bit out of shape. That's understandable. That's going to happen. It's normal. Okay, so don't worry about that too much if you can help it. We want a sheet, basically, a nice thinnish sheet. 4mm is what he suggests, or what they suggest. Right, so because we've got a lovely sheet here now, so that's about, yeah, a rolling pin and a half wise. So what we do with our knife, you need a pretty sharp knife, and be careful not to dent the table. We do like, we cut, but we don't just cut across, so we rip. We just do like a very, very sort of slight rocking motion, like a sort of a guillotine basically. So we're just, all we're doing, it's a bit more, I'm just being careful not to hurt the table basically. So I need to, so you're almost scoring it, if you like, not scoring it, like dragging it. Just pressing it down. There you go. That's my lovely excess. We do the same. You don't want to trim off too much. You can help it. You see what I'm doing? You can't quite see what I'm doing here. Got another bit of pastry. There we go. Okay. So, that's our lovely square. We've got a fairly even rectangle there. Where's my pastry brush? It's around somewhere. Okay. So we're just going to take off the excess flour. So what we do, I'm gonna cut now. Because I need to show you how to do it properly, and in the next video I will show you how to shape them. And I also need some beaten eggs. So that's the first part. That's the first stage of forming the croissant. So you'll see me in a second how to actually make them, and then I'm not going to rush because I have to get this in under 10 minutes for the Instagram thing. Okay, give it a go.